What are you doing? What a good boy. Oh, you missed your mouth. Keep trying. There's a good boy. Look at you feed yourself. I'm a big, almost 9 months old. Almost 9 months old.
Cuckoo. Mommy, cuckoo. Mommy.
Ooh, use your pinchy fingers. Oh, you missed. That's right there.
Caca.
Try again. Oh, oh. You're kind of all sticky together.
Diggy.
There you go.
Diggy. Diggy. Diggy.
Oh, you missed again.
Diggy. Diggy.
Tam, stop. Hi, Tammy.
Hi, Timmy.
No, that's you. Whoa.
Wow.
Hey. Hey. Fine. Are you sleepy? You keep flopping over. Yeah?
Cuckoo, please. Cuckoo. Cuckoo, please.
You want more Blue's Clues? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a rainy day, so there's nothing much else to do except play with toys and watch TV. Whoop. You're such a big boy now, feeding yourself with your pinchy fingers. Oh, that was a good one. Good job. Good job, Vinny. Don't eat too many at once, otherwise then you will choke. Big boy.